There is an element of chaos in all that we do. This madness, I covet it and I wish it for you and you and you and you, because life's greatest achievements are only relatively permanent, and taking things too seriously will make one constipated. But if one does not take things seriously enough, then they will fall and miss the radiant gem of cosmic delight buried in us all. It is a kind of balancing act on a wall that is crumbling and old. One side of this wall burns like nuclear hemorrhoids, and the other side is just too fucking cold. And this balancing act, it requires jumping as you fall so that you fall up and right back onto the wall. Confusing at times. Oh, I know. I know. But that is no reason to lose your calm, because confusion ridden through and through will transform into a balm. And everyone is a reflection, which cannot be emphasized enough. For reflections of reflections are raw material for that idealistic stuff. But watch ever closely the personal ego and the petty drives that it conspires. It will pull problems from thin air and occlude your true desires. So let us forget who we are in well-measured doses and sip the kinds of ales that will make us think we are Moses and wield the individual ego the way that it was meant to be, which is a thousand-edged spatula that can see what cannot be seen. For only a spatula with at least 1,000 edges can smell 1,000 noses and find at least 1,000 different ways to plant 1,000 roses. And mash our identities until the other and the I squeeze together into the same huckleberry pie, for each of us is the entire universe, and even that is too small to contain what has no limits, no bounds, this everything of the all. Now, let us really put ourselves out there to discover what fills us with fear, because only when comfort is stretched does chaos become clear.